and Yap Emmanuel. Tatami 1 now.
Winner, Aka Diaz. 1 minute. Break
Second
for
to
Diaz.
Michael Senti Cadet Boys. Tapos John Yap Emmanuel. Tatami 1 now.
16 years old. First call. 16 years old and advanced. Above advanced team Kata Boys. ASK Cebu.
Loke, ready na si Loke? ASK, Loke Sander. Loke Sander.
Please prepare. 7
Raise
years
your hand,
old
Loke.
and below. Open to the boys.
Last call. 70 Michael
Okay, Sander.
70
Yes, sir.
Cadet Boys Committee.
Loke
Tapos
Sander.
Anthony John and Yap Emmanuel. Please proceed to Tatami 1 now.
Please be ready. Please prepare. 12 to 15 years old. Advanced team Kata Boys. Kuntao, Mandaue, Cebu, Aka. 12 to 15 years old. Advanced team Kata Boys.
Loke, raise your hand.
Please
Loke.
prepare after this bout. Second call. 16 years old and advanced. Years old and above. Advanced team Kata Boys.
Camacho Juliana. Camacho Juliana from JKS Bohol. Raise your hand, stand by. Tomabini Ashley. Tomabini Ashley. Stand by. Gonzaga Siandel. Gonzaga Blue Side. Gonzaga Siandel and Gonzaga. Raise your hand. Gonzaga. Raise your hand. Blue side. Mitante Julian Ray. Raise your hand. Mitante Julian Ray. Mitante Julian Ray. Red side. Alvarez Stephanie. Alvarez. Alvarez Stephanie. Blue side. Raise your hand. Alvarez. Stand by.
Please prepare. Next bout. 7 years old and below. Open to the boys. Arciaga Agustus, Aka, Ricardo Sean, Ao. You're after this match. Please prepare also Boscaino, Gachvir, and Odalo Jr. Thank you.
Edulan, step forward. Dilandres, step forward. Mompok Jane, stand by.
Winner, Aka.
Second call,
Next round,
12-30.
Miralles,
New
raise your hand.
Community Boys, Castañares,
Miralles.
Matthew. Verano, Yuli. Balikwag, graduate.
Maison, raise
Where
your
are
hand.
you? Tatami 1 now.
Miralles, raise your hand, Miralles. Mason.
Please prepare
Maison,
12 to
raise your
15
hand.
years old. Advanced team Kata Boys. Kuntao, Mandaue, Cebu, Tatame 1. Aka, Kuntao, Mandaue, Cebu, Aka for 12 to 15 years old. Advanced team Kata Boys. 7 years old and after this bout. Arciaga Agustus, Aka. Please step on the mats now.
Sapan Kenzakari. Next. Joseph Yolan, raise your hand. Joseph Yolan. Get ready.
Again, calling Arciaga Augustus Lucas. Enrico, step on the
Verano.
mats.
Yuri Gang of JKS. Please proceed to Tatami 1 now. Last call. number GBF 9300. You are blocking the way. Please move your car. Again, owner of Toyota Wigo with plate number GBF, G for Golf, B for Bravo, F for Foxtrot, 9300. You are blocking the way. Please move your car. Again, owner of Toyota Wigo.
Sapan, raise your hand. Go sir, raise your hand. After this, Herrera and Dos Dos. Herrera, raise your hand. Aka. Dos Dos, raise your hand. Ow.
Last call, call to the team, UP Committee Boys, Castellanes Matthew, and Verano Ken. Last call, Verano Ken and Verano Fury Ken and Castellanes Matthew from JTS Philippines CV. Last call, tatabi one now.
Edulan Jarod, step forward.
Winner, Bontao Mandawe Gold. Congratulations, proceed to the awarding area. Thank you.
Abugatal DJ, step forward please for the finals.
Please prepare Boscaino Rajveer and Richard Todano here after this match.
Last call, JKS Philippines CV,
Winner,
Castellanes
Arca.
Matthew, and
Abasos
Verano Ken.
Garcia.
Tatabi one now.
Next match, Rajveer Boscaino versus Richard Todano. Please step on the mats now.
Second call, UP Committee Girls, 12 to 13, Tatabi 1, Lapid, Yume, Selon,
Winner, Aka.
Azaltea,
Herrera, raise your
and
hand.
Hongkong Shea.
Raise your hand, Herrera. Dos Dos, raise your hand. After this round, Go Manoy, Aka, Rivera, Ow. Get ready.
Again, calling Rajveer Boscaino and Vincent Todano. Please step on the mats now.
Mompok Jake, stand by. Bakarisas Derek, blue stick. Bakarisas Derek, time. Bakarisas Derek, raise your hand.
Last Rajveer Boscaino and Vincent Todano. Please step on the mats now. Double time Todano. Please prepare 7 years old and below open Kumite girls. Rosales Aliano Neri versus Trias Pilar Adria. You are after this match.
Mompok Jake, step forward. Edulan Jarod.
Pumanoy, raise your hand. Rivera, raise your hand. Rivera. Here next.
Edulan Jarod, Abugatal DJ, Neri Matt, Bilang Esther, Mompok Jake, please proceed to the awarding area.
Pumanoy,
Macarisas Derek, step forward please.
For 70 kilograms cadet boys kumite plus 70 kilograms cadet boys kumite, please prepare Logico Guinness Joel Aka Ongayo Sus Kirobin Au. Please prepare.
Camacho Juliana, step forward. Tumabini Ashley, first call. Camacho, please step forward.
Second call, minor 61 cadet girls kumite, Abigail John Francis and Daniel Audrey Denise, JKS Philippines CV. Proceed to Tatabi 1 now.
Mitante Julian Ray, standby. Alvarez Stephanie, standby.
Miralias, raise your hand. Miralias, Aka.
Winner.
Louder, raise your hand.
Winner.
Louder.
Winjan Nadalo.
Macarisas Derek.
Dominic West for Nadalo.
Please proceed to the awarding area. Macarisas Derek.
Please prepare Rosales Eliana Derry versus Traya Cesar Aguilera.
Ongayo Donsihana, minus 55 kilograms, women kumite. Ongayo, standby. Nodalo Joaquin, blue side, standby. Mitante Jerriel May. Mitante Jerriel, blue side, standby. Vulcan Samantha Lay. Vulcan Samantha Lay. Vulcan Samantha Lay. Vulcan Samantha Lay.
Miralias, raise your hand. Louder, raise your hand.
Pagaling Roxy. Blue side.
Denise.
On the mats now, Arciaga and Nadalo.
Minus 61 kilograms, women kumite.
Miralias, raise your hand. Louder, raise your hand. Louder.
Double time, please. Winjan Nadalo.
Loke, Aka, raise your hand. Loke. Sapa, raise your hand. Out. Loke.